this is Brenda Desserts from around the world, and today's destination is China. I'll be trying a recipe for almond cookies, so let's get started. To start our almond cookies, I have half a cup of soft butter, I have a quarter cup of sugar, now I just want to whisk this until it's nice and fluffy. So my butter and sugar it's fluffy, so I'm gonna add 1 egg and whisk until well combined. So my eggs is well mixed with the butter and sugar. Now I'm just gonna mix the dry ingredients together. This is 3/4 of a cup of almond flour. I'm gonna add 2/3 of AP flour to it. This is a half a teaspoon of baking powder. And half a teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to mix this together. Before I add the dry ingredients, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of almond extract. I'm just going to get this a little whisked together. Now I changed my whisk to a paddle, and now I'm going to add the dried ingredients a little at a time. So my batter is well combined, so I'm just going to have some plastic right here, add the dough to it. Now I'm just going to wrap this. And I'm going to leave it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. So my dough has been sitting in the refrigerator for over 30 minutes, and now it's time to shape them. So I just have a regular cookie scoop with a cookie sheet with parchment paper. Just gonna scoop each one. So once you have them all scooped out, I just gotta grab a regular fork. I'm gonna push down one way, then again the other way. Once you push down with a fork, I have an egg that I whisk in an Eggwash on top. And once you Eggwash all of them, I grab a sliced almond and place it on the middle. could do 2 at a time. Could add 3. How many almonds do you like? once you put your almonds on top, I have my oven reheated at 325 Fahrenheit, and this might take 10 to 12 minutes, just until golden brown. So my cookie just came out of the oven. It took 2 extra minutes than expected, so it took 14 minutes for me. You can see it's nice and golden brown, a little golden brown on top. So I'm gonna put these on a cooling rack and let them cool off. So my cookies have completely cooled down. It's now time for a taste test. These cookies came out so delicious. I like how it was crispy from the outside, soft and inside. I just love the almond flavor. It was such an easy recipe to make. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Let me know how it went for you guys and comment below. And like always, I see you guys at my next destination. Don't forget to like and subscribe.